know what's really going on.
Yeah.
Last thing I wanted to talk about today, it looks like AT&T's Android phones are now lying about having 5G. So
Yes.
2019 is really exciting. This is kind of the year where our 5G phones are going to come out. And when the mobile conferences happen in a few months, I think we're going to see a lot of things. Probably Huawei, probably Samsung. People are going to come out with real phones.
OnePlus.
In the
I think OnePlus
OnePlus,
is trying to claim they'll be the first. So
I
if we
don't,
see something in February,
and I think Apple's going to be slow to the game. They were slow to the game with 3G. They were slow to the game with 4G, LTE.
yeah.
I don't think this year we're getting it.
Waterproofing, wireless
No, they're
charging,
the worst. It's
copy and paste.
copy and paste. I don't think this year we're going to see a 5G iPhone. We're just not. But as far as Android goes and AT&T, they have been lying. And when you're in a really fast 4G LTE place, it says 5G to kind of make you think that it's, wow, I'm here in New York and I'm here at this corner and I have such fast, but it's not real. So like it or not, AT&T's not really 5G icon is reaching phones, and the carrier has started rolling out this indicator to multiple Android headsets, including Galaxy S8 and LG's V30. Install the update and you'll see 5G on the upper right-hand corner where you used to see LTE. So as before, AT&T isn't really upgrading anyone to 5G. This is still 4G LTE, just with mix of technologies where they use special antennas. It is faster speed, but it's not technically as fast as 5G. So I just wanted to warn our users about that, that if you have a Galaxy Samsung S8 or that LG V30, you might think you have 5G when really your modem in your phone is just not fast enough yet.
So are these the handsets that are purchased from AT&T? Because, is it AT&T Verizon?
Not Verizon. In fact, Verizon came out with a statement today that said, we will not lie to you about 5G like AT&T is.
We're calling you out, AT&T.
Yeah, so we'll see how long this lasts. I mean, it's kind of a marketing ploy, but
Sure.
I just wanted our users to know that you really have to buy a phone with the modem in it that supports 5G, and that's basically
right
not
now,
out.
there are none out yet. And the other thing to keep in mind is Verizon is claiming to have 5G networks up and running right now in certain cities.
Oh, yeah?
But we talked about it earlier that it's a different standard. It's not the agreed upon 5G standard, and it's not quite as fast as the agreed upon 5G standard. And it's their own in-house standard that Verizon built. And but I believe it is upgradable once the standard comes out. So, like I said before, I don't think 5G is going to really pick up in 2019. I think it's going to be 2020 when you're actually going to be able to get to some major hubs and have some form of 5G. But I don't expect it to become prolific till maybe 2022, 2023. That's when every phone you're going to buy is going to be 5G, just like 4G is right now.
Absolutely. So looks like we're coming to an end of this YouTube podcast. If you liked it, please subscribe. And if you're listening to us on iTunes, please give us a generous 5-star rating, and we will love it.
Will love it. We will read your review in the next one because you'll be a star. You'll be a YouTube star.
Yeah, even if it's negative, I'll read it. I don't
Even
care.
if it's
I don't care who you are. Yeah.
But please keep it in English. We've gotten some comments in other languages, and we just don't know them.
We just don't know what you're saying.
Google Translate.
Yeah, that's right. All right, we'll catch you next week.
All right, bye.